Okay, so welcome back, and now today what we're going to do is we're going to do an example of graphing an exponential function. So the function that I have is f of x equals 0.25 to the x power, or in other words, this would be 1/4 you could to the x, right? So you could think of it that way. Okay. Now, so I'm going to deal with this, but it's the same thing as that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a table of values. So I'm going to take, let's say from -3, or let's do, we don't need that many. Yeah, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if we have -3, right? So 0.25 or 1/4 to the -3 is basically 4 to the third. Okay? So that's going to be 64. And then 0.25 to the -2nd power is going to be the same as 4 squared, which is 16. And then -1 is going to give us 4. And then 0 is going to give us 1. 1 is going to give us 0.25. 2 is going to give us 0.0625. And then 3, so 0.25 to the third power is going to give us 0.015625. Okay? So now that we have those numbers, now we're going to plot 3 of them. Now, which 3 am I going to plot? Well, I'm going to plot the ones that I normally plot, which are those 3. Okay? So I'm going to plot -1, 4. So let's do that. Okay, so -1, 4 is about right here. And then 0, 1. And then 1 and 1/4, which is going to be about right here. Okay? And so what's going to happen here is now I'm going to draw a smooth curve through the 3 points. Keep in mind that there's an asymptote at the y-axis. Or excuse me, not y-axis, the x-axis. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have something like this. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, what's the domain? Well, the domain, I know, as usual, is all real numbers. -infinity to +infinity. Now the range, well, the range in this case is, again, 0 to +infinity, the y values. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And notice that it's a decreasing function. Okay, and it makes sense from the graph because, again, b is between 0 and 1. And that's it. Have a great day.